Hey everybody.
Operator error.
Operator error. Don here again with, the Joker over here.
It's me.
It's a beautiful day. We had probably 8 or 10 inches of fresh snow last night. And we're just going to go for a little snowshoe today. We're about to get on a trail that my buddy made, but he's got a four-wheeler with tracks, and it's not quite as easy as snowshoeing on a snowmobile trail, but that's all right. We're going to head up in the mountains and maybe we'll get some sunset pics. Stick with us. We're trying to get some exercise.
Yes.
Okay, the problem with this track is it's just a little narrow, but it's not bad. If it gets crusty, it'll be tough because you can see my snowshoes just a little wider than that. Man, what a beautiful day. We'll probably get up here a little ways and then we'll get off the trail and do some bushwhacking. Yeah, with this light fluffy snow, it's easier to walk right in the middle. Or even off to the side.
Oops.
Be a great trail for Tucker. He'd love it. Walking in the track.
So we've gone about a half mile.
Yeah.
And it's only a mile to the big dog.
Oh, good. Halfway there. Of course, the rest of the way is all uphill. That's all right. Haven't seen any deer tracks or moose tracks or nothing. Oh, I don't know. There's something. This looks like some old melted out moose tracks. Going down that way towards the bog. Cutting up that way. That was before the big snow. And they're melted out pretty much. Here's another old set of moose tracks. Came right along this edge. This was obviously before the big snow we just had last night. I went down in there. Sure would like to see a moose. Yeah. Well, those tracks, who knows? Those tracks could be weeks old. Oh, Brett. Oh, we're going down. Yeah, you're right. I forgot. This is good. Easier walking. Somewhere up here, I've got an old permanent tree stand from, geez, almost 30 years ago. Yeah. Here's my old tree stand. When these loggers came in this most recent time, they marked the trees with some arrows and left. When we built that, Karen was carrying our son in a backpack, and I was carrying all the lumber, and our son turned 31 yesterday. That's how long that thing's been there.
That sun is setting. I don't know if we're going to beat it.
Yeah, we were hoping to get up to the top and get the sunset, but we'll keep going. We only got another, probably a quarter of a mile. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Well, Breaking the ice. Yeah, right. You test it for me. I only got you by 100 pounds or so. Let's see if I can take a big step. Oh yeah. Oh.
Now you're gonna collect some snow.
Little splash.
Remember when Jesse was skiing and they'd send the first person off the jump to test it? They'd call him the pig.
Yeah, right. A guinea pig. Up and up and up. Well, I don't think we're gonna make it before the sun goes behind the mountain. But our goal is the top over there. And I can see it's already in shade, so the mountain's gonna be covered. I'll take a look from here. That is the big rock. I don't know if we can get up on top of it with snowshoes. That is Karen's very favorite place to hike with Tucker. I'll throw some pictures of the two of them up there at the top at the end of this video. Probably going to bring Tucker's ashes up there this summer. But she's determined. She's determined to get up there. Used to be a lot better place to hike before the loggers came in and messed up the trail. My woman can be like a billy goat.
Of course, coming up the hill, I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. I'm not the GoPro queen, but here I am coming to the top of the big rock. Tucker and I used to come here all the time. And he would pose for pictures because he's such a ham, or was. The rock itself might be icy. And it is. Oh. Don couldn't make it.
There's a camping spot right over in those hemlocks. I was going to camp New Year's Eve a couple years ago. We had a big storm come in, kind of blew me out. Right there with that lone, I think that's a spruce tree. We cut a couple of the branches off it so she can get a better view from up there, but pretty treacherous up there. I hope she's, well, I know she's being careful. I can see her, she's right by that tree.
Don's down there. I'm up on the top. It's so beautiful up here. Tucker and I loved it up here. It's always been a favorite spot. Kind of a bird's eye view. Really nice. Now for the good part. Down that hill, which I think I didn't really have the camera on when I was going up it. We'll see. You know, operator error and all that. But I have to hold on to this branch here. 'Cause these are all rocks and they're icy. Yep. Okay, that's the tricky part, I think. The rest I could go down on my butt, probably. And probably will.
Sidestepping on the uneven, rocky, snowy, icy terrain.
Reunited and it feels so good.
You're a wild woman. You're awesome.
I'm sorry you didn't make it.
I know. I knew I wouldn't be able to get up there with these. My snowshoes are clogged with snow, or ice, I should say. But you got a nice view there, and I got a nice view of you at the top. Now, back down we go.